Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh and this is your JIS News for Monday, June 18. Several business leads have been generated from the third staging of the Jamaica Investment Forum. Over 200 foreign investors attended the event in Montego Bay last week. It was hosted by JAMPRO and featured investors in the areas of energy, logistics, business process outsourcing, sports and automobile manufacturing. Prime Minister Andrew Holness urged the business people to capitalize on Jamaica's strong fiscal environment, saying it would facilitate long-term stability and certainty for their investments.
You are coming into an economy that's, yes, relatively small, but has tremendous potential for expansion. So if you get in now, imagine what the value of your investment stake will be 5, 10, 15 years' time. Pair that with the commitment of government to good policy and good politics. Jamaica is the right business proposition for you.
The last two stagings of the Jamaica Investment Forum generated over $300 million in business for the country. The Agriculture Ministry has started a drive to get idle farmlands under production. Persons interested in agriculture are being asked to apply for land leases now.
I want to invite people who are looking for arable land to get into serious production. You send in your application to me right away. Let me forward it to the Sugar Company Holdings of Jamaica.
The Agriculture Minister's announcement follows a recent commitment to eliminate the number of idle lands across the country, starting with a rationalization study of all lands owned by the Sugar Holdings Company of Jamaica and the National Land Agency. Minister Shaw was speaking at Friday's launch of the 66th Denby Agricultural Show. The annual event is scheduled for August 4 to 6 at the Denby Showgrounds in Maypen, Clarendon. This year's show will feature a number of new elements, including a back-to-school fair and a farmer's 5K walk-run. The Industry Ministry has launched a National MSME Entrepreneurship Policy Implementation Committee, PIC. The committee, launched on June 14, will be responsible for the oversight and monitoring of the MSME and entrepreneurship policy that is being tabled as a white paper in Parliament. The committee is being formed from a wide range of stakeholders, which were previously constituted as the MSME Thematic Working Group on June 23, 2017. The PIC will meet on a quarterly basis and receive updates on activities being pursued in the MSME sector. The Public Procurement Amendment Act 2018 will now go to the House of Representatives after being passed in the Senate with 3 amendments on Friday. The bill seeks to regulate the procurement of goods, works and services by entities of government. The amendments will enable a modern procurement system with clear guidelines to ensure equity, transparency and efficiency.
I want to say that arrangements are being put in place for the establishment of the Public Procurement Commission, the Office of Public Procurement, and the restructuring of specialist procurement units. There will be revised standard bidding documents. These are also almost complete. There will be training, and there is training and onboarding of procurement entities onto the electronic procurement platform, which will allow, again, for greater access.
Minister Johnson Smith says the staff of 89 entities have been trained to use the electronic procurement system, of which 29 are now using the platform to execute contracts. The Ministry of Education is partnering with the University of the West Indies to offer 200 scholarships to educators without first degrees and high school graduates seeking to enter the teaching profession. Lecturer at the U.S. School of Education, Dr. Caenwood Thompson, says the scholarships will cover the tuition cost for teachers in a number of subject areas under the Bachelor's in Education program.
The Ministry of Education is paying the tuition for these students. This program allows teachers in 4 subject areas: math, sciences, language, and geography, to upgrade their competences. So teachers who are teaching in these areas but do not currently have a degree are being given the opportunity to enter this university and complete and acquire this degree.
Dr. Thompson was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. He is encouraging school principals to support teachers who want to participate in the program. And finally, Jamaica has been elected to serve as a member of the Economic and Social Council of the United Nations. The term of appointment is for 2019 to the year 2021, and Jamaica joins Brazil and Paraguay as Latin American and Caribbean countries on the Council. The Economic and Social Council is one of the 6 organs of the United Nations and is primarily responsible for advancing the 3 dimensions of sustainable development: economic, social, and environmental. Foreign Affairs Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith says the appointment allows the country to play a more active role in assisting UN member states achieve sustainable social and economic development, climate change protection, disaster risk reduction, and environmental security. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.